Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show easy way of making delicious chili oil at home. This thing is amazing for the plating, but even for the seasoning. So let's do it. I leave full recipe for my variation of the chili oil in the description down below, but keep in mind that you can be very creative with different spices. I'm gonna use garlic, cinnamon, bay leaves, star anise and peppercorns. But you can also experiment with things like Szechuan peppercorns, cardamom, cinnamon, spring onions or shallots. And the process is very easy. You mix all the spices with classic vegetable oil and you wanna cook it around 100 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Then at the end, you want to get the oil to 120 degrees Celsius and strain it on top of the chili flakes, mix it with vinegar and salt. If your chilies are small, you can leave it like this, but my flakes are basically whole chilies, so I'm gonna blitz them with a hand blender for few seconds, so I get better taste and color. And I'm just leave it inside the fridge to cool down. Now you can use the oil like that for some seasoning, but my plan is to use the oil for plating, so I will strain it with a cloth. And if you want to make the oil even stronger, just leave the oil inside for few days and then strain it. You don't want to push it down, just let the oil go itself. And I transfer it to the plastic bottle and the oil is ready for the fun. Make sure you hit that bell notification button, because in the future I'm gonna show you how you can use it in the full recipe. And if you want to get inspiration for another plating oil, check out this video and learn how you can make beautiful green oil at home. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.